Hi darlings, in this video we are going to discuss about the prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cell means the cells of bacteria. These cells do not contains the membrane bound organelles and the nuclear membrane is absent in this bacteria. It has the outermost layer, the thing which is written in redding, that is the cell wall, and this cell wall is made up of the peptoglycan. This cell wall determines the shape of this cell, bacterial cell, and provides the strong structural support to this bacteria from bursting or collapsing. Next to this cell wall is the another layer known as the plasma membrane. This plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature. Semi-permeable means it allows only the enzymes which is required by the bacteria, and it does not allow all the enzymes. It allows only the enzymes which is required by bacteria. And this plasma membrane and cell wall both helps as a protective layer for this cell. In some bacteria, along with this cell wall and plasma membrane, another protective layer is present, that is this glycocalyx. This glycocalyx differs in composition and thickness among different bacteria, and it is present only in some bacteria, not all bacteria. This glycocalyx may be a loose sheet known, and such type of glycocalyx are known as the slime layer. In some other bacteria it may be thick and tough. Such type of glycocalyx are known as the capsule. It also helps like a protective layer for this cell. In some places of this plasma membrane, the invasion takes place. Invasion or the extension takes place towards the inner side, and this known as the mesosomes. This mesosomes is present only in the bacteria cells. Mesosomes helps in the cell division, and it also helps for respiration. Respiration means the breakdown of enzymes which are present in this bacteria, and it also helps in DNA replication and increase the surface area for this plasma membrane. So this helps as a respiration. This is also known as the mitochondria. Mitochondria means it is performing the functions of mitochondria. So this performing like functions of mitochondria. So these are also known as the mitochondria of this bacteria cell, because it is performing the function of mitochondria. So these mesosomes are known as the mitochondria of bacteria cell. Next to this is present the cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is a liquid material. It contains all the enzymes, and in this bacteria cell or prokaryotic cell, the membrane bound organelles are completely absent, and it present only a non-membrane bound organelle, that is ribosomes. And these ribosomes in prokaryotic cells are 70S type. In one particular place, the DNA is present, and DNA is double stranded membrane, and this DNA is the double stranded DNA, and it is attached to the mesosomes. During the cell division, this one strand will goes to the another. So in that by this mesosome is helping in cell division, because the DNA which is allowed to mesosome during division, one strand will go to the another cell. By this cell division takes place because mesosomes are indirectly helping. So mesosomes are helping in the cell division. Some bacteria also contains the plasmid at the center. This plasmid is a extra chromosomal double stranded membrane. This plasmid is the extra chromosomal circular DNA, and it can replicate itself, and it is a double stranded membrane. It contains about 1 to 15 genes, but mainly it contains F plasmid. F gene means the fertility gene. This fertility gene contains the transgene, and it is capable of conjugation and resulting in the expression of sex pili. The plasmid which contains the F gene will have the sex pili. Some which have the F plasmid contains a long like these structures, which are thread-like structures, which are more longer, and this is known as the sex pili. This sex pili, when comes in contact with the another cell, and conjugation takes place between the two cells, and another gene is the cole plasmid, and this cole plasmid is seen in the bacteria Escherichia coli, and this plasmid contains a gene that codes for the bacteriomeres, the proteins which can kill the other bacteria, and it also mainly contains the resistant plasmid. This resistance plasmid is the plasmid contains the genes that provide resistance against the antibiotics or poisons, etc. These three type of plasmids are mainly seen. Next to this in some places a finger-like structure or a small bruster-like structure known as the fimbriae is present. This fimbriae helps in the attachment to the rock. This helps this cell to attach or bacteria to attach some rocks or substratum or some other places. Those bacteria which have plasmids are considered as the positive strain because or male strain because it contains the F plasmid. F plasmid it contains the it can conjugate with the other cell, and those do not have the plasmid, such kind of cells are considered as the negative strain or the female. These bacteria may be fertile, motile or non-motile. If motile, it contains the flagella, long thread-like structure known as the flagella. And this flagella, the number of flagella varies from cell to cell, and size also varies from cell to cell. This flagella mainly contains three parts. One is the basal body, filament, and the hook. The filament is the long structure, and it arises from the cell wall. In bacteria cells, two types of bacteria cells are seen. One is gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria, when strained, it will convert into a purple color. It gives purple color. But gram-negative, when strained, it won't convert into a purple color because this gram-negative bacteria contains the another protective layer outside this glycocalyx, which is known as the lipoprotein. This lipoprotein, when strained, the strain don't not pass. This lipoprotein layer won't allow to pass to this layer, so it doesn't change any color. But gram-positive bacteria won't contain this lipoprotein. When it will strained, the strain material is passed, and the color of this cell changes into the purple color. Prokaryotic cells. These prokaryotic cells, example is bacteria, and these do not have the nuclear membrane. It has the outermost layer, the cell wall. It is made up of the peptoglycan, and next to the cell wall is the plasma membrane. Both these two layers acts as the protective layer. And in some bacteria, another protective layer is known as the glycocalyx, and it is different in composition. It may be loose sheet known as the slime layer, or it may be thick and tough cap known as the capsule. These bacteria may be motile or non-motile. If motile, these bacteria have the flagella, and it helps in the motility. Motility means the movement of the bacteria, or movement. Motility means the movement. Flagella contains the three parts. One is the basal body, filament, and the hook. The filament is the longest part, and next to the plasma membrane, it contains all the liquid materials, enzymes, or divalent ions, etc., and this is known as the cytoplasm. This plasma membrane, at some places, invasion takes place, known as the mesosome. This mesosome helps in the cell division, it helps in the respiration, breakdown of enzymes, etc. In one place, this mesosome contains the double-stranded DNA. This DNA is transferred to the another cell during the cell division. Because of this mesosome is helping indirectly, these mesosomes are helps in the cell division. Along with this, it also contains the non-membrane bound organelle known as the ribosomes. These ribosomes are the 70S type, and it also have the bruster-like structure known as the fimbriae. This fimbriae helps in the attachment of bacteria to the rocks or substratum, etc. Some bacteria have the extrachromosomal circular DNA. It is the double-stranded DNA known as the extrachromosomal circulating DNA, and it is the double strand known as the plasmid. This plasmid contains the F plasmid or fertility plasmid or resistant plasmid, coal plasmid, etc. And two types of bacteria are seen. One is gram-positive bacteria, and the other one is the gram-negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria won't contain this lipoprotein, and because of this, when it is strained, the strain material is passed to this, and it changes into the purple color, and which contains the lipoprotein. Such type of bacteria are known as the gram-negative bacteria, and this lipoprotein layer won't allow that strain to pass to this, and the color won't change, and it remains same.